Hello everyone, Mike with Fuse here in San Jose, California, and today we will talk about ductwork. Interesting fact is when we come out to do the estimates and all the installations for the HVAC, maybe only 1/3 of the customers interested to do the ductwork replacement and so on, even though it is very crucial aspect of the whole project, because ductwork could save you lots of money and could waste you lots of money too. Many people think that they would install an efficient system, an efficient heat pump, an AC, and suddenly everything would be perfect, their bill would go down, the system would be ideal. It is absolutely incorrect. Ductwork can take all your money out if it's not done properly or it has problems. So let me just list you a few problems of the ductwork. It could be with the tears inside with the leaks. It could be undersized or oversized. It could have mold, rodents in. It could have many different tiers, or sometimes they tighten them too much in your crawl space or attic and the airflow doesn't go, or the airflow is not proportionate. Your bathroom can have lots of airflow inside, making like a sauna, and although living room would have nothing. What happens at the end is there is less air, the quality of air is not good, it's horrible, it's like a health hazard, especially with asbestos. So all those things together, so simply replacing the AC and furnace is not enough. Ductwork is very important and crucial if you can do that. And when we come out to do the assessment estimate, obviously we'll look at the whole picture of your project. So we'll look at the ductwork and so on. So we give you what is necessary to be done. Because most of the projects we look at, their ductwork and system is maybe 12 to 20 years old at least. Obviously, all the new ductwork that we do doesn't have leaks. We tend to get like almost no leaks, number one. Number two is we do the airflow adjustment. So all the rooms, depending on their size, have the correct airflow going in. Third one, obviously, rebates. When you do the ductwork installation and the HVAC system with a permit, you can qualify. As of this video, for the rebate, it's $800 for the bay rent. So also you'll get money from the government. And they give you government back because your system becomes efficient, not just because you replace it and you decide to have a new ductwork. So because of the efficiency. Also, new ductwork, meaning it's healthy. There are no chemicals like asbestos and so on. We carefully design and assess the situation to make sure the ductwork is done for your house, specifically for your layout, for your lifestyle, and with our best quality that we offer. So please do not hesitate, reach out to us, contact us, send us an email, call us anyway, and we'll be happy to come out and give you the best possible advice and the price to do your project. Thank you.